G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Dingle DIY. I'm Rob Dingledie and today I want to show you how I assembled this Slate fireplace. Now, this secondhand cost tens of thousands of dollars, so it was quite nerve-wracking to have to put it together. It actually came in 4 pieces, so the top mantle, these 2 side pillars, and then the arch between. Now we've also got a cast iron insert for the fireplace. But we'll take you back to the beginning when this used to be a Canara and just some plaster. I'll show you some photos of what I had before I started. Now obviously we removed the Canara, it was actually quite rusted and ruined. We got rid of the old hearth and put some marble in. And once that marble was in, we could then build our way back up from there. Now I've been at this place for a few months and I have been making a separate video about all the little things that I've been doing, you know, patching, fixing, building walls, putting doors in, putting new windows in, and soon to be doing a new bathroom. So feel free to check those videos out. They'll be on my channel, and for now, we'll jump into this fireplace and start getting some things into position, and then I'll fill you in on the things you need to know as we go. I'm going to use a combination of this stuff, which is a stone glue. It's 2 parts, so it dries quickly, which is sometimes good, sometimes bad. It means we have to work quickly. And then our chance for aligning things, there's a small window to get that right before it hardens. So I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to use just some regular silicone. This is neutral cure. Make sure you don't get the acidic cure stuff. It may damage the marble or the stone. So this takes probably 24 hours to cure fully, which means I can wiggle things around, make a bit of a mess, but be sure everything's in the right position. Between this glue and the other glue, it should be okay, as long as we're tactical with how we do it. I'm going to be using this on the marble first of all, just because those pillars need to be wiggled around to get into position, and then the arch, and then the mantle. We'll just use the stone glue. Yeah, you'll see how this goes together in a minute, because it's time to put it together for the final time.
We'll put it up on the timber. Oh,
yep.
Yeah, and just put it there for a second.
Yep. I'm going to try something as well. Just smash some glue in. So you lift up if you can. There you go. Yep. Alright. Okay, so far so good. We've got silicone on the bottom of the pillars, and then we've got the stone glue where the arch sits on the pillars. We've also glued the arch to the pillar at the top here, in between here, at both sides. So that's good. The plaster's a bit inconsistent, that's why there's a gap here and not here, but everything's sitting plumb and level. So the last thing to do is the mantle, but we might have to patch that plaster first, so we'll see. Okay, so this mirror here is going to permanently live on top of the mantle without a gap underneath, so it actually does cover up the damage that's there. We will tickle it up a bit and paint it, but for now that means we can glue the mantle on, which is what we've done. We're still going to get a bit of marble made up at the bottom there, or slate, just to hide that brick. So for now I'll put the skirting on and we'll come back to this when it's all finished and painted. Alright, that's it for this episode, guys. I just wanted to show you how I went about that, because when I was looking for information on how to do what I just did, there wasn't any videos out there. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to make a video just to show you how something like this goes together if you do end up in my shoes where you do have to reassemble a second-hand unit or even a new unit. If you did enjoy this video, there's plenty more on my channel. This room is actually looking $1 million now thanks to all the things that have gone into it. And there are a lot more videos on this house that this room is a part of. So if you want to see those videos, feel free to check out my channel and make sure you subscribe when you're there. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.